Hello! We are Morphun team.
Today we are going to invite you to the journey through the exciting world of Morphun.
But do you actually know what is Morphun?
You'll back down this little
6
journey.
ways. Join us next, and these amazing in 3D.
When we say more fun, we mean more fun. So what are you waiting for? This will keep your kids
This was made by a young man.
Most incredibly cool.
Why not
And the
make a giant-sized army tank?
Hello, I'm Colin Simmons, the Chief Executive and Chief Designer at Morphun. My passion as a kid was construction games, and for the last 22 years, I've been lucky enough to be inventing and selling new games that build new things in ways that were impossible before. We are now a global company selling in over 45 countries. This video will, I hope, help buyers find new products to buy in this strange COVID world without trade shows. We have some of the best and most unique STEM, education and fun retail sets in the world. We have graded educational fun products with in-class work cards from ages 3 to 10. These are all based around our amazing side as well as top joining pieces. We have been told that we have won more awards than any other construction and gears specialists. We are very proud of these many awards from 6 different countries. Our UK head office and our great team in our Polish factory work to the highest standards to produce long-lasting, high-quality, safe products for you. Our mission is simple. We want our products to inspire young minds to become the engineers, architects and designers of our future. Now I will hand you over to our great team in Poland who will tell you much more. Thank you.
Thank you, Colin.
You saw Colin introducing you to what is Morphun, and now we want to show you what is so unique about our patented educational products.
Hi, I'm Paulina, and you may know me as I'm your contact in this region of the world. Now I would love to introduce you HiCubes, Morphun's youngest age construction product. This range is dedicated to children 3-6 years old. All sets contain instructions at 6 different levels of difficulty and can include the amazing guidebook. All sets are supplied in a plastic tube or in a bag depending on customers' needs. We have created cubes with studs on up to 3 sides that join to Morphun and other popular bricks. Unlike traditional products, only HiCube is multi-directional in build. It has wheels, axles, cubes, triangles and joiners. Also stickers are available in larger sets.
Hi, I am Patricia. I am responsible for the customers from these parts of the world. Today I will show you Junior Extra set. They have the unique side joining feature built into both square and triangular bricks that increase learning challenge and design potential. Sets include long connecting pieces and direction changers, X, T, R pieces, as well as wheels and axles. Take all of that together and you can build amazing 3D buildings, vehicles and inspiring advanced models. Junior Extra range is great for kids 4-9 years old.
What if you could join our HiCube and Junior pieces and create something completely new? Hi, my name is Anna and now I'm going to present you our brand new series, Junior Starter Plus. This combines the fantastic flexibility of Junior Starter Rainbow and the multi-directional build of our HiCube blocks and triangles into a mind-teasing kindergarten set. Models that so far were only on the paper, from today you can transfer to the reality as amazing 3D ones. Sets are challenging for all ages from 3 to 6 years.
You've seen our amazing side joining pieces, you've seen advanced buildings. All this helps to develop STEM-related benefits for kids. And now get ready for the ultimate gear fun set. My name is Rafał and I am going to introduce you to Total STEM. This compendium set gives the teacher in one huge tab a good spread from the whole Morphun STEM range, including science, technology, engineering and math activities. The set includes workouts. There are also chains, pulleys, crowns and rack gears add-ons with their own instructions. All these options together created a world-class and unique STEM educational set. The set is for sure demanding for both 5 and 10 years old. Instructions will be supported by printable online copies as well as many further instructions and exercises. Total STEM as well as other Morphun series are educational to the core. It not only helps children to learn and develop motion skills, colors, shapes and hand-eye coordination. It is for sure great for home use as well as for kindergarten and school groups and have huge IQ development potential.
Experts in many countries have shown that great STEM's hands-on activities in schools leads to more students choosing STEM careers. The world knows we are short of good engineers and good designers.
Now, when you're familiar with our ranges, let's check what international educators can say about our products.
I'm Dr. Amanda Gamma. I have a PhD in neuropsychology and the postgraduate certificate in higher education. I'm internationally renowned for my work, having presented at the International Toy Research Association's World Congress and even at the European Parliament. And I've been involved in UK government policy. Children learn best when they're fully engaged and fully immersed, that multi-sensory experience, and the learning and educational potential of the Morphun gears and pulley sets is huge, especially around that all-important STEM topic. Bringing STEM into children's life at an early age in a playful way is one of the best things I think we can do for our children from an educational point of view, but also for their future. And Morphun, with their gears and pulley sets, have really taken that learning to a whole new level and are providing children with a really fun and engaging way to engage with the STEAM subjects.
Hello, this is Yutaka from Morphun in Japan. Japan has been importing the product for many years. Our customer here love Morphun products and the teacher give us a very good feedback. The products are very different and not just the kids, also parents love them. Morphun is very good educational material, not just for the STEM, but also for developing team building skills and social communication skills as well.
When you decide to work with us, we'll provide you with the full marketing support, including free samples, photos, videos, and other helpful materials. Are you still wondering if our products are the best fit for your needs? We created a website where you can sign for an individual appointment with a presentation just for you, during which we'll be able to answer all your questions and guide you through all advantages of our products. Feel free to save the date for your video call now.
Please take a look at our huge range, as well as the new items and upgrades, and talk to me or my team.
Thank you for your attention. Check our website and social media to learn even more about Morphun.
Feel free to contact us.
And see you soon!